To Goa, and to come all the way from Israel and to arrive to this amazing place and to see all those amazing people that came here to see the first episode of fall season of the premiere, the world premiere through Netflix, of course. It's a great honor, it's a huge honor, and I can only say thank you, Shukrayeh, to everyone, to Netflix, of course, Sir Minister that invited us, Mr. Ambassador, Mr. Governor. Thank you all for inviting us to this amazing event.
But Father as a show has become a rage globally. I mean, there's so many fans of it across the world. How does that feel to have so many fans around the world just waiting for season after season to come out? How does it feel?
It's amazing. It's thrilling every time that we meet people that are giving us so much love. Here in India, you know, we just got to the immigration when you're stamping the passports. So the guy over there looked at me and he said, "Oh, I just watched your show 33 times." So for me to see that, I just hugged him. I tried but it was hard. But we are so excited, first of all, to be here, and we love the people of Goa. We love the people of India. We are so connected. We feel together. Thank you for such a warm welcoming. We really, really love you.
I can tell you, all of us love you as well because we love the show, we love the series, we eagerly waited. Now, what can we look forward to? We don't want the entire thing from you, but a sneak maybe into what season 4 could be like for us, maybe a small little sneak.
Can we tell him?
We can tell you, but then we'll have to kill you.
Okay, I don't know. I'll just watch it instead.
No, it's going to be very global, much more global. It's going to be in Belgium, it's going to be in Lebanon, it's going to be in Israel, it's going to be a much more wide story. But the DNA of Father will stay, and I hope you're going to enjoy it, really do.
And I think that, you know, what we're looking for, and following this visit, of course, is to more collaborations with Indian filmmakers, with Indian TV show makers. And I think that what we understood from this visit is the potential, the huge potential of working together, just like the ambassador and the minister said and mentioned. We want to work together with India.
Absolutely. We would love that. Okay, now we talked about a sneak peek, but if I take you back into the past 3 seasons, which has been that one dialogue, that one scene that you have personally loved? If I just choose one.
From the episode that was premiered yesterday, was one scene that Leo, the one, is talking to Captain Ayub, Itzik Cohen. I think that this is one of the most strongest scenes that I've seen in film.
Thank you, Iffi.
He's complimenting you on stage. That's what makes a great partnership. And thank you guys so much for coming out here. Round of applause for the ladies and gentlemen. Have your mics collected. At least some personal security after that threatened stage. But I'm okay with it. Further, looking forward to it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, the hybrid avatar that Iffi Goa has adopted would have not been possible without our technical